Ohayou gozaimasu.
Ohio!
Final day in Osaka and also final day in Japan.
Basically doing some last minute eating.
We're on our way to find some breakfast. We're probably gonna have some pancakes at a place called Micasadeco. So see you guys there.
Micasadeco is well known for their super fluffy souffle pancakes. Each pancake is individually steamed on the grill so they rise perfectly. First up is the Earl Grey pancakes. It was like cutting into clouds. Melts in your mouth. Next up were the ricotta pancakes. Look at them jiggle! And you can't forget the syrup!
Wow, that smells, that's delicious. It's so airy and fluffy. And literally just melts in your mouth. I can eat it with my gums. Hands down, best pancakes we've ever had.
Ever! I'm so glad that we had that as our last breakfast here in Japan.
So if you're into souffle pancakes, definitely the place to try. Okay, next stop. We're just having some lunch in Osaka at a place called Gyu-Katsu Motomura.
They've just recently opened here in Osaka.
Gyukatsu is a deep fried, breaded beef cutlet. We haven't had it before, so we're gonna try it here, and we've heard good reviews about this place, so we're gonna go check it out.
Alright, let's go down.
Upon seating, we're greeted with a couple of hot stones. We ordered their single Gyu-Katsu, which came with rice and grated yam. The breading was nice and crunchy, and the beef is served rare, but you can cook it further on the hot stones. And if that doesn't make sense, they give you instructions on how to eat and enjoy Gyu-Katsu. My goodness, this was one of the tastiest things I've had in Japan. Next time, I'm ordering double the amount of meat for sure. This is the grated yam, which is recommended to be added to your rice. It had a gloopy texture and we weren't huge fans of it, but we still think it's worth a try.
That is really good. Next up for dessert, we had Kakigori, or Japanese shaved ice. It's dinner time and we're just waiting in line for Okonomyaki. We're at a place called Mizuno. We have eaten here before a couple of years ago, so we know that it's really good. There's always a line here, so we're waiting for about 15 minutes already, but we're next in line.
we're just inside Mizuno, waiting for our Okonomyaki. We're pretty hungry.
Okonomyaki is a Japanese savoury pancake. There are so many varieties and different toppings. This version here is made from yam flour batter, which is poured on top of some scallops and squid. Once it is done, it's then flipped, then doused with okonomiyaki sauce and Japanese mayonnaise. This yam version is one of their most popular menu items. We also ordered one with soba noodles and the more traditional Osaka style with shredded cabbage. Our last order was their negiyaki, which is a version made with a lot of scallions or green onions. These are truffle takoyakis. It smells so good. Oh my god!
It's pretty hot, yeah. Oh, it smells so good!
A little bit of the skin. Smells so good. I'm gonna blow on it because Dom says it's really hot.
You need a proper hot. Okay. It's so good, right?
Actually, like the outside so crispy.
Yeah.
Perfect texture.
Truffle?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can taste it. You can definitely taste the truffle.
The lemon on top.
Yeah.
Tops it off.
Told you. Told you. Alright, let's see what the fuss is all about. You guys make it seem so delicious. You really smell the truffle there. It's so hot.
Good?
So good. It's very good. Oh wow. Hey guys, we're just nearing the end of our Japan trip.
We're just relaxing at the Sakura Lounge at Kansai International Airport in Osaka. Just grabbing some food before our flight.
Hope you guys enjoyed our Japan 2018 series.
Because we sure did.
We're actually going to be traveling to Hong Kong and Shanghai. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel for more food and travel adventures. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Let us know what you thought by leaving a comment below. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye!
Bye!